on the day of his elevation, there you could see that is Udayanidhi Stalin, the soon-to-be Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, who's walking along with the Education Minister Anbil Mahesh and Industries Minister T.R.B. Raja over here. This is at Kalaignar Memorial, where he has come over here to pay his respects, post which he will go to Periyar Memorial and also Gopalapuram, the residence of former Chief Minister and DMK patriarch Kalaignar Karunanidhi. And here you could see various ministers who are next to him were also accompanied him over here. This is a person who is going to become the Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu in the DMK regime.
I'm very happy about the way how he is working, and it's really worth giving to our Honorable Sports Minister. Now he's been called as a Deputy Minister. Definitely we are ready to work under his leadership. Yeah.
And here you have the celebrations. On one side, the crackers bursting, and on the other side, it is Udayanidhi Stalin, the new Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, who has come to his grandfather's residence, the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, and also the former patriarch of DMK, Kalaignar Karunanidhi. Earlier, he went to Karunanidhi Memorial, then he went to Periyar Tidal, then he went to the Anbalagan's residence, and now he has come over here. This is where you see on one side crackers are being burst, and on the other side that is Udayanidhi Stalin, who has come over here. At this spot you have celebrations everywhere. DMK is celebrating this news in a very big manner. Udayanidhi Stalin becoming the Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, because on one side it can be just simply seen as an elevation, but on the other side the important factor is that DMK calls this as the future and as the hope that you see over there as Udayanidhi Stalin, and that is why it is being celebrated in a grand manner with Udayanidhi Stalin entering his grandfather's residence at the spot, and everybody here celebrating and cheering as the son of CM MK Stalin becomes the Deputy Chief Minister. The message to the people of Tamil Nadu after becoming Deputy Chief Minister.
I'll do my best for that.
And about the criticisms you're facing.
I'll try to do my best.
Is it bigger responsibility for you?
Of course, it's a bigger responsibility.
And that is Udayanidhi Stalin exiting from Gopalapuram, the very residence from where it used to be Karunanidhi, it used to be MK Stalin, and now it is Udayanidhi Stalin who is exiting after paying his respects at Kalaignar Memorial, at Periyar Tidal, and currently over there. Him becoming the Deputy Chief Minister, DMK claims is the way hope and a kind of future is being installed into the state of Tamil Nadu for Dravidian politics and for DMK. Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.